Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn your phone into a security camera. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now to do so, you need to go ahead and access a third-party app. Now for example, you can go to your app store or play store and search in Alfred camera. Now this particular app simply is a app that lets you make your phone a security camera. Once you have that particular app, what you need to do is simply going to need to go ahead download this particular app, right? Then you're going to go ahead and make sure you have two phones and both of your phones have the same app. Now you're going to assign roles. Open the application on both devices and sign into the same account. Select camera on your old phone and viewer on the smartphone you carry with you all the time. Now you need to go ahead enable features like motion detection, two-way audio, and low light or night vision filter to enhance security. Placement and power. So mount the phone facing the area you want to monitor. And because streaming video drains the battery quickly, ensure the old phone is plugged into a continuous power source using a long charging cable or a power bank. And then once you've done that, you will be able to go ahead, check it out, everything from your other phone that you carry, and that's it. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.